It's week 24 in the garden, and the corn is growing really good, looking very healthy. So it looks like the chicken manure is doing its job, but I'm going to try something new with the corn this week. I got this tip from another YouTuber, BubbleBeet. His channel is one of my favorites. I don't know, his content is pretty much the same year after year. He's got the things that he plants all the time, and it's a relatively small group of plants, maybe like 10 different vegetables. But I enjoy his content, but I always learn something new from his channel. And with the corn, I saw something a couple of weeks ago that he was doing. He's down in North Carolina, so he's a little bit ahead of us here, up in Northeast New Jersey. But I wanted to try it with my corn. So as I said, the corn is looking really good, really green. So it looks like they're getting plenty of nutrients into the stalks, which is good to see. But right down here at the base of a few of the stalks, there's only like 3 or 4 corn stalks like this that have these side shoots coming up. And they'll produce small ears on them, but they're not going to be very useful. So what he did was he pruned those off. I'd never seen that before with a gardener. It's probably out there, of course, but I'd never seen it before. And he said it just saps strength from the main stalk. So he cuts his off. So I'm going to do that this year. I haven't done it in the past, so I'm just coming in and cutting off these side shoots. And I have a few more just like that. You got this one here. It's got 2 side shoots coming out of it. So I'll cut them off as well. And one more right back here. Now, I think actually there's 2 stalks here. 2 different plants. I think I must have dropped 2 seeds in there or something like that. But this one has side shoots coming off of it. So I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to let them grow next to each other. Probably not the best, but I'm going to let them grow next to each other. But I didn't want the stalks growing on them. As I said, there's really not many that are like that. I can't recall if these plants back here were different seeds. I don't think it was, but maybe. I might be confusing last year with this year. But I haven't seen really too many others like that have the side shoots on them. Even with some of the bigger plants, I really haven't seen these others producing. Like here, I've got 2 plants again from 2 seeds, but not the side shoots. I didn't do that too many times, but I'm going to keep an eye on it, and just going to do that with each of the side shoots that I see on the corn. When they appear, should they appear. So we'll see how that works, if that helps, hurts the corn or not. I definitely know I've seen the side shoots on my corn in past years, but not this time. While I'm here, I figured I'd just show you my cabbage. This one is really heading up nicely here, and it looks like it's got a lot more leaves to curl over yet. And yet it's about, right now, it's about the size of the last one that I harvested, but this one looks like it's going to be a little bit bigger than that one. This one is starting to form a nice head here. Maybe I should take this off. Maybe that'll help. There we go. So, got a nice little head there. And this one has now started to really form a nice head in there. And down here we got a yellow leaf. That's the first yellow leaf I've seen on any of my cabbage. So I'm going to end up having to pull that off, because that'll just attract slugs. But actually, all the cabbages are starting to head up now. This one's still pretty small, but it's starting to form its head, as is that one there. What's not forming a head, though, are my red cabbage. Maybe that'll start forming soon. I see a little bit of leaf curling in there, so that might. But none of the others are showing really any sign of heading up. You probably can't see just because of the netting on top, but it might be starting to form as well. But all the other cabbages are starting to head up, so probably within the next couple of weeks this bed will end up being cleared out. And the peas, they're actually starting to form flowers, so I'm going to get a few peas out of this. So yeah, we're going to have a few things coming through. But the corn, as I said, is looking really healthy right now. And as you can see, it was very green. So it's getting plenty of nutrients in there. And the cabbage is looking good too. But if you want to see what we're doing in the garden last week, check out this video right here. And then subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you can follow along on the progress on all of our vegetables as we try to grow a supermarket in our own backyard. Okay, thanks for watching.